आपको प्रश्न पूछना है तो यह पूछिए कि इस ऑपरेशन में क्या हमारे जाबाज सैनिकों को कोई क्षति हुई है, तो उसका उत्तर है नहीं।
The government has for the first time released the names of the 6 armed forces personnel who lost their lives during Operation Sindoor, India's military response to the Pahalgam terror attack. The 6 include 5 Indian Army personnel and 1 Indian Air Force sergeant. Their names will now be inscribed on the National War Memorial in New Delhi as a permanent tribute to their sacrifice. The personnel are Subedar Major Pawan Kumar, Rifleman Sunil Kumar, Lance Nayak Dinesh Kumar, Agniveer Murali Nayak, Havildar Sunil Kumar Singh and IAF Sergeant Surendra Kumar. Their names have been included in the list of all soldiers who laid down their lives during military operations in 2025 and will be engraved on the Tyag Chakra, where the names of every soldier who has made the supreme sacrifice since independence are inscribed. Operation Sindoor was launched on May 7th after the Pahalgam terror attack, which killed 26 people. India targeted terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Pakistan retaliated, leading to 4 days of military exchanges before the conflict ended on May 10th.